Are you still paying for a separate writing tool, a separate image generator, and a separate social media planner? Well, you're working way too hard and spending way too much. After searching for so long, I finally found one single, comprehensive dashboard that effectively handles my entire creative workflow in less than half the time, and for just a small fraction of the usual cost. Chatbot App AI is an all-in-one place for your AI needs. It's got everything: ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, all in one place for one simple subscription. Over 30 leading AI models, all in one place. It's built for writers and content creators, whether you're crafting captions, making title posts, blog posts, other posts, or planning your social media without having to juggle between a bunch of different apps at once. You get a single dashboard for chat, image generation, and document analysis. And as you can imagine, you can create high-quality infographics from simple text prompts where you write your scripts. And right now, you can start your free trial for just $1. All right, so we're on Chatbot App AI right now, and I'm basically going to walk you through how this works. You've got 15 chat models, 3 image models, and top-level security. It's all super easy, and one thing I like right off the bat is just how sleek and minimalist the design actually feels. You've got everything: DeepSeek, chat through OpenAI, Mistral 7B, and even a French one that hasn't been used all that often. They're all here for you to actually go ahead and try out. We've got Claude, of course, and big names like Google Gemini as well. When it comes to features, you can switch between the models. You've got voice chat, image generation, of course, and talk to PDF, which I found especially helpful in the past as well. Let's go ahead and give it a try now. All right, so we're in the little dashboard here. So let's go ahead and take a look at this in real time to see how it works. So I've got a little app section here where we can actually pick the app we want to use within the subscription, and you can even go ahead and customize that. There's also a recently used section, as well as an image generation section too. So basically, we're clicking into the image generation section. I like that there's actually a dedicated one just for image generation, and you can even choose which AI model you want to use. You've got ones like Cdream 4.0, Nano Banana Pro. Everything's basically here. You can set up a style, everything right here. So we can go ahead and pop this in here. One Instagram infographic about productivity tips, blue and white theme. So that's going to process now and pop something up. I'm going to see how this looks. Okay, cool. So it actually turned out pretty good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you think about the outcome of that prompt with this image generation here. I think it's pretty sleek, pretty fancy, and we can just make it nice and big right here and have a bit of a look at what we can see. So, pretty cool little infographic if you ask me. And you can do little things like make it holographic, give it a medieval vibe in terms of the styles and everything like that. Change the background, the subject, the paint colors, and of course, you can download and close it out when you're ready. Okay, so let's go back over to the dashboard. All right, so we've got OpenAI GPT at 5.5, and we can pop in, create structured content plan for our productivity YouTube. So let's open this up here. Use a plug. So this gives us some ideas on how to structure our next YouTube video. I'm probably assuming there are going to be a lot of bloggers and vloggers watching this. And yeah, look, it's not easy to come up with YouTube ideas or plan for YouTube to get the best results these days. So I think this is a pretty cool feature to have right here, if you ask me. And look, it's really clear, really concise, straight to the point, and you can choose again between your different models. We've got them all here, particularly for chat. You can scroll down. We've got them for Claude as well. So if you just want to use basic Claude here, we can go ahead and actually do the side-by-side comparison. Rewrite this with a more emotional storytelling and a relatable tone with Claude. Pop that one in there. Okay, so here we go. Here's the same content plan rewritten. As you can see, it's rewriting it again with the structure, the video plan, all the important stuff that we need to see. Nice, the light bulb moment. The game changer. How I actually plan my days now. Awesome. Nice. So it gives us the whole structure there. Good and ready to go. Nice, beautiful. So I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, and of course, you can access it on the go with your mobile device as well. That's all here, and that's how it's going to look on your mobile device. Simple, easy, and you can start getting involved with that now. You can access it on the go. And yeah, basically do it nice and easily through any browser at all. And yeah, in terms of the pricing, it's good. Minus 70% if you go for the yearly. The most popular one is the Pro package, billed at $19.99 per month, $39.99 for the one after that, and it's $0 just to basically get started in the beginning. So yeah, I just love the idea of being able to switch between the different AIs there. With Claude, we can go for creative storytelling, for example. With ChatGPT, we can actually use that for more structured analysis. And then you can actually easily compare your answers side by side really quickly and efficiently. And it's really cool to see how new models are actually added and launched at no extra cost when they do become available. And it's really cool that you can start and script your ideas across all creative devices. So for example, if I start on my laptop while I'm traveling, and then maybe I'm at a business meeting and have a gap between two meetings, I can actually finish the job on my phone through the browser. So that's really helpful too. And even though there isn't an official app just yet, it's still extremely efficient through the browser. And as mentioned earlier, the Pro plan is only $19.99 per month, which basically saves you $17 a month compared to having multiple subscriptions if you were to get those same subscriptions that are included in Chatbot app. Stop paying for 3 different creative tools. Go ahead and click the link in my description right now to start your $1 trial of Chatbot App AI and gain access to every single AI model you need to effectively scale your content creation today. If you enjoyed today's video, folks, please consider smashing that like button. It would really help us out. Subscribe if you want to see more content, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any fresh content when it comes out to help you get ahead of the game. And leave a comment on this video letting us know what you thought about today's AI project. See you next time.